Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to manually add Wi-Fi network here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for control panel. Once you've typed it, the best match would appear. Click on open to continue. Now, the moment you've clicked on open, this window will show up, and if your window or view doesn't look like this, simply proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see their view by set it into large icons. Once you're done, you need to navigate for Network and Sharing Center. I can see it here being placed at the third row next to indexing options. Once you're done, click on it. So here at the Network and Sharing Center, you would be able to view your basic network information and set up connections. And here, you need to navigate to change networking settings. And since the main goal or target of this video is to manually add a Wi-Fi network, then we need to go with set up a new connection or network. Click on it. And this window would show up where you can set up a connection or network. And since we'd like to add a Wi-Fi network manually, then we need to proceed with a third where you can connect to a network or create a new wireless profile. So click on this, and once it's being highlighted, meaning that we have selected it, please click on next to proceed. So from here, it will ask you to enter information for the wireless network you want to add. Here you need to type the name of your network. And once you have typed it, please click on this security type, click the down arrow. Okay. So we just have to wait since it's still setting up. Okay, once it's being ready, you can choose either here. In my case, I'll be selecting WPA3 Personal. Once you're done, please input the security key, and if you'd like to hide the characters, you can hide it, okay? So once you're done, please check the box which says you connect even if the network is not broadcasting and click on next. Okay, so from here, you can use the existing network, open the connect to a network dialog so I can connect, or you can choose a different name, return to the setup page and choose different name. In my case, I'll be selecting use as the network, existing network. Once you're done, close the window. Okay, from here, navigate to the taskbar aligning to what you can see there a Wi-Fi speaker and bar icon. Click on it. In the moment you click on it, click this forward arrow and wait until it will be showing up here. Okay, in my case, yes, it's showing up. So you can now click on this, click on connect, and from here you can now connect to this new added Wi-Fi network here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so you just have to wait until this will be the checking network requirements would be done so that you can now connect to it and you can now enjoy using your new Windows 11 PC if you have new one, or you can now enjoy your Windows 11 PC or laptop using this newly added Wi-Fi network. Okay, so that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.